Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Scorpio, and this will be for July 2020, and this will be an overall look how your July is gonna be like. And if you're interested in personal reading, please contact me. I do take personal readings as well. So let's see the overall energy for you, Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Wheel of Fortune. So there's some kind of movement here. This might be fortune. This might be money coming into your life. This also means that there has been some kind of ups and downs in your life, and it's kind of things are changing to a more broader perspective. You might be feeling like there's some kind of change happening in your surroundings. Okay. Now let's come to the Unicorn Oracle messages. What are the messages for Scorpio for July 2020? Okay. Flight. This card says that let your creative imagination fly. This means that you need to, if you have some ideas, thoughts in your head, put it into practice or put it into the 3D world, alright? Next is the silence. This card says that be still, for all the answers lie in the silence. It says that you need to take some time to think over something if you're not feeling sure about something. Next card is the intuition. Listen to your inner wisdom, which also means that you need to go within, find the find solitude, go within, find the answers to your questions. And there are blessings here. It says that count your blessings and the good in your life will multiply. So this card clearly says that you need to look for the good in your situation and focus on getting things better. Okay, you already have the blessings, so work on your intuition, guys. Work on your intuition. Most probably intuition will be to the point, because most of the people have been telling me that the intuition has got much better these days. Let's see what's the fairy oracle messages. Pure intention. This card said whatever you are manifesting, whatever you are thinking, keep your thoughts pure. So when you work on your intuition, when you work on something within you, make sure that you are doing something with the intention of keeping a positive note and not to hurt anybody, and this for the highest good of all. Alright, now magical gateway. So this says that you have to venture into the unknown, leave the comfortable situation behind and take a leap of faith. What you will find outside your comfort zone will be much surprising. This card is coming again, solitude. This says that take time to be with yourself for some time and think things through in the solitude, and it might mean a lot to you when you find answers to your questions, right? And the next card is look in a book. If you find, if you feel like if you know a book, or if you feel like you have some kind of confusion in something, it says that look into a book, which says that you have meanings, or which have situations being explained to you in some kind of book. Now let's read. Whatever your question right now, you will find the answers in a book. The words you find will bring the insight you seek. This might be scriptures, holy books, or some kind of books from great authors, whatever whatever calls out to you. Now let's get into the tarot. What's the present situation? Page of Swords. There's some kind of what do you say? You might be not looking things in a proper things. If something is not catching your eye, there are things in front of you, but you are unable to see it. So I feel that you're overlooking something. Page of Swords again. This is like somebody is spying on you, or there is somebody is very clever, and I think that you are not thinking things through. This is a younger energy, and you act with so much of you think and you do it. You're not looking twice or thrice into a situation. Next, Page of Cups coming in here, which that's the cup. That's a card which crosses your immediate situation. This means that there is some kind of immediate messages coming through to you, and this might be a gentle and an immature energy, full of life, and you might be getting messages from of some kind. This might be a surprising turn of events. Now, what's beneath you? Eight of Wands, which says that there are movements from a situation, like turning of a wheel, right? We have the Wheel of Fortune here. So things are changing in the subconscious. There are movements here. Might get messages from somebody. Now, the Hermit is above you. That means that you, again, Solitude card. This has been coming regular into your readings. It says that it is time to cut off from the world. Take your time. Be within yourself. Be with yourself. Find answers to questions, because you already know what you're dealing with, and you might need some time to collect your thoughts. Okay. Now, what happened in the immediate past? The Star. This might be hoping on a star, wishing for a brighter future or something. This is also a card for Aquarius, so take it as it resonates. Okay. Okay. What's in the immediate future? Queen of Pentacles. This card says that there is some kind of stability coming towards you, and there's some kind of stability coming towards you, and there is luxury, or there's some kind of generosity or generous offer coming towards you, or this is a place where you'll be stable. Okay, what is current position? Three of Pentacles. This is a card for your work related. Pentacles energy, Earth energy here, very grounding energy, and very stable energy here. So you might be looking to put some kind of effort into your job. All right, and this is the Environment card. This is the Nine of Swords, which means that there's some kind of anxiety or sadness or grief over a situation. You might not be able to focus on, pinpoint on what you're thinking, but there's something which is keeping you up at night. Now, what's the guidance, hopes and dreams card? Temperance. This means that there's some kind of balancing act here. There is some kind of balance coming to you, or you might try to balance, or situation might present itself where you'll get guidance to balance yourself. Okay. Now, what's the outcome card? Two of Pentacles, which also means this is like a juggling act. It's like a balancing act here, which means that there is some kind of situation where you need to balance things. Okay. Let's clarify. Page of Swords. Why is the Page of Swords in the present situation? Why is the Page of Swords in the present situation? Because you're overlooking something, because you are being lazy, you are not putting much effort into it. You want to take action, but you're not putting enough thoughts into it. What you need to do is, again, Hermit energy. Take some time, think through, and don't act in a haste. Okay. Now, why is the Page of Cups here? Yeah, somebody's bringing you some kind of creativity into your life. This is like a new beginnings. This is like the Empress energy. So some kind of new start is possible here, right? You are bringing your creative side here. Now, there has been some kind of burden of you. You might feel that, okay, things are going to be really difficult, because it's Six of Swords energy. You might feel that, okay, that is going to take some time. I can't see how it's going to get through. But everything has a way of doing it, right? Yeah. You are unable to find a decision here. There is